Ever wonder how businesses truly perform? The secret lies in their financial statements. These aren't just numbers, they're the detailed story of a company's health, performance, and cash movement. Today, we demystify the three core statements: the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. First, the balance sheet. Think of this as a financial snapshot, a picture of a company's position at a specific point in time. It follows assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Assets are what the company owns: cash, property, equipment, inventory. Liabilities are what the company owes: debts, loans, accounts payable. Owner's equity is the residual value for owners. It gives an immediate sense of financial structure and solvency. Next, the income statement, or P&L. Unlike the balance sheet snapshot, this shows a company's financial performance over a period, a quarter or a year. It's about profitability. Starting with revenue, money earned from sales, we subtract various expenses like cost of goods sold, operating costs, interest, and taxes. The result? Net income, or profit. This statement tells us if a company is making money and how efficiently. Finally, the cash flow statement. While the income statement shows profit, it doesn't always reflect actual cash. This statement details all cash entering and leaving during a period. It has three crucial sections: cash flow from operations, from normal business activities; cash flow from investing, for buying or selling assets; and cash flow from financing, from borrowing or issuing dividends. Cash is king. Effective management is crucial. These statements are intricately linked. Net income from the income statement impacts balance sheet equity. The balance sheet provides data for the cash flow statement. Together, they paint a comprehensive picture. For informed decisions, risk evaluation, and assessing potential, mastering these reports is essential. So, the balance sheet tells you what a company owns and owes, the income statement reveals how profitable it was, and the cash flow statement shows where its cash came from and went. Master these and unlock a deeper understanding of any business. Start exploring them today.